Hi, Ridge here, and today on this standing vlog in my studio, unfortunately because it's blowing like crazy outside, I wanted to talk about the puzzle of life. Yes, it's the most popular puzzle on earth, but also the puzzle of life. Achieving your dream, accomplishing your goals is like a puzzle. And like a Rubik's Cube, people will look at it and be like, look at me, I solved the face. But guess what? Solving the face means nothing. You can't just solve the front, the face. Rubik's Cubes are not solved by face. Rubik's Cubes are solved by layers. And just like any dream that you're trying to accomplish or goal you're trying to reach, it needs to be done in pieces. So just like a Rubik's Cube, you have to do it in layers. And this first layer is like the mindset. Right? So you've got to start getting the right mindset, going to seminars, reading books, talking with people that are in the same vein, and start to put the pieces together slowly. Start to understand what your goal is. Start to set it. Start to get that first layer done and that first step done, which is the mindset. And anyone will tell you this as far as any business goes. Now here comes the next hard part, that second layer. That second layer that you've got to solve is really, really difficult because guess what? It's action. You have to take action on your dreams. You have to take action on your goals. And guess what is so difficult about it is you have to keep intact your mindset. You can't just mess up your mindset to solve your action. Everything that you do on your action has to complement and protect what you've set in place for your mindset. And as you begin to go down the journey, there are some moves and there are some decisions you're going to have to make that will challenge that. But if you just, no matter what, you're always focusing on keeping your mindset intact and keeping the actions backed up by that mindset, it won't be long and you will have your mindset and your actions coinciding together. And they will be working. You'll be accomplishing your goals. You'll be getting close. Now here comes the next hard part, because sometimes things just turn upside down and go crazy. And you get to that last layer. And that last layer is finishing. You've got to finish it. You have got to stick to it and do everything that you need to do to stay on task. And what's really scary about these moves now is now the actual sticking to it, and it challenges both. It challenges your actions you've taken, it challenges your mindset. But if you memorize certain moves on a Rubik's Cube that are tried and tested, you will accomplish your dreams.